Alright, the wall, little small wall. It's not a knee wall, it's a wall. It's a small wall. It's going to be 44 5/8 by 30. So I'm going to make my two 30-inch plates. 30 going this way. Make two of these 30 inches. I should already have my saw in my hand, but I don't. Another 30-inch plate. Bam. Now, 30 inches is not very much, so I'm only going to get one stud in the middle, so I only need 3. Put it at 15 1/4. It could be 16 because no drywall's going on there, but whatever. So I'm going to make my mark. Bam. That's a stud. That's where the stud goes. Studs go there, but on the end you automatically know. So there's no reason to mark it. So I'm going to place these here. Got my two plates. Usually in the basement we use womanized or luminite, whatever they call it, treated, but it's okay. So you would have one treated and one regular. So I got 44 1/4. No, 44 5/8. Bam. Let's put this around. 44 5/8. Minus 3, 43 5/8, 42 5/8, 41 5/8. That's my number. Got a 3-inch plate there. And really I want to bring this down maybe an 1/8 because the wood kind of messes with you a little bit. Gives you a little bit of a... Actually, you know what? I can leave it because I want it to be tight. It's 41 5/8. Get that out of this one. No. So that's no good. 41 5/8. 41 5/8. Now I got 2. All walls get built like this. Whether it's 25 foot by 10 foot, whether it's 40 foot by 20 foot. Well, 20 foot high would be pretty big, but so we'll say 40 foot by 10 foot. Same shit. Just a lot longer and a lot taller. Gonna need another rack. Used to, my other gun's a little lighter, but this one still is good enough. It still works. This wall is so short, I could probably just stand it up. But I like to stay in the habit of keeping it on the ground. Really, I can just stand on it. I gotta twist this on anyway. Gotta twist it with my foot to get it lined up perfect. They still get a little funky shit. But it's wood. This one's twisted also. I'll try to untwist it. Might be getting you dizzy. Because when I'm down like that, the camera likes to flip. But it's okay. Okay. Little wall, gonna go underneath that landing. I want to pull that nail out. Actually, both of them missed, so I want to hit it again. You can already see it's cracking, but it's okay. It cracked, it's alright. Alright. Now, I need this and this. Well, yep, I can get it. Well, no, it's uncomfortable. Okay. Alright. Try to get this with all my tools down here. How was that? You little shit. All right. Let's see how much this drops. Not too much. Fucker. Shit's gonna be in my way. And up here is gonna be maybe a little higher, but I don't need to put it all the way to that wall. Try to get this in here. All it is doing is holding up this landing. Pressure, bam, that's it. Might need a sledge for this. We're good. I am gonna need some shims. Okay, it's about to flip out of there. All right. I can hear it now. Need a shim right there, but that's kind of supported by that, so. And that shit supports all of that. still off. That's probably off too much now. Oh, that's almost there. Just gotta come back a little bit. Good. That's it. Anchor that to the ground. Then we're good. A couple nails and a shim, and that's it. I'm gonna sheet the top of that. Damn thing ain't going nowhere, but that shit just needs to be replaced. But I'm gonna leave it like that.